So I was just chilling in my room, on my bed, on my phone, on Facebook, scrolling through the feed. Yep, what teens do, you know. Then I saw something that bothered me. Y'all probably think the same thing, and you are not wrong. It's a horrible thumbnail. Look at that thumbnail, guys. And she expects people to click her video. Nope. I had to stand up, get in cocky mode, get my fingers ready to throw the first comment. Y'all should start putting more efforts in your thumbnails, man. I was waiting for a response from her. Then this nigga goes like, what? Schoolers. I'm like, ugh, where does this nigga fit? Then I'm like, YouTube, my guy. I was waiting, chilling. Then I drop another one like, look at mine. Then he goes like, thumbnail select for my guy. You like rice, I don't eat rice. I'm like, whoa. This nigga feisty. And I go like, I see you know nothing about catching the viewers' attention. Okay, bye. I just wanna help. Then he goes like, school us. I'm like, what? This nigga. I'm like, yo, you say you don't eat rice, stick to pop, then went through your feed, and honestly your thumbnails are so unattractive. Yep, you know me, cocky. Then he goes like, school us fam, why do you find it unattractive? Really nigga? Everything about it, so dry. Then he goes like, he drops another one. I went through your feed, your thumbnails are bomb, keep up the great work, man. Yeah, at this point he's just blowing smoke up my ass. I'm like, you know, I love it, but yeah. And I hit him with the duh, you stupid. Then he goes like, very bright. Okay, we will try to improve. Just blowing smoke up my ass. And then finally, she responds, make a video on how you do your thumbnails. At this point, I was like, yeah, great idea. And that's how we ended up here. Hopefully, we would get views, likes. Yeah, enjoy. What's good YouTube, it's your boy RG. Make sure to subscribe to my YouTube channel, turn on post notifications, follow me on Instagram at Central Audio Records. Let's get it. So here we are making a tutorial video. This is like honestly the 5th time I recorded this video. All the other videos the camera kept switching off, and the program also was just doing bullshit. So I'm gonna run through this very fast. So if you don't have any experience in Photoshop, that is your story. By the way, subscribe and like, and you would need to download a few things I'm gonna mention because you don't have them. Fonts. So firstly you create a new project, and you click film and video. You choose HD HTV 1080 picture quality or pixels, I don't know. I'll just call this file trial. And the resolution you should choose 1000. Sometimes if you go above that, your file might become too large, and YouTube the maximum for a thumbnail must be like at least 2 megabytes. So you import your photo, you click file and place embedment. So I have here a picture of a local celeb. Let me just crop the photo, enter. Then you copy this photo, make a duplicate copy, then you mask it out, mask the human being out, select and mask. Hit select. You can also mask using your pen tool, but it takes longer. So yeah, I'll be back after this. So once you're done doing that, just increase your feather. Depends how much you want, then you increase your smoothness. Okay, then you click OK. Then I don't like it when it shows the layer mask thumbnail and the smart object thumbnail. So what I do is I subtract the mask from selection, then the black and white lines show over her, then I click her photo, then I click Control C and V. That's more like it. Okay, so the copy the copy, you click the copy that you made, go to filter, then you go to blur, then you go to motion blur, then you select the motion blur of your choice. I'll go for 19. Looks good. Okay, you click back layer 1. You can double tap or click blending options, and you click stroke. Select your stroke. You can copy my stroke settings here. The size is 4 pixels, position outside, blend mode normal, opacity 100. Then you go to drop shadow. You can also copy my settings here: opacity 100, blend mode normal, angle 90 degrees, distance 3 pixels, spread 7%, size 35 pixels. After that, you click on the image, then you right click, select pixels, then you click B for the brush tool of your choice. Make it at least like 800. Make it 800. Make it 800. So I want to go for maybe an orange, more type of orange red there, you know. Just edit on the sides, view, zoom out. Yes sir. Okay, this is dope. Okay, if you are done, create another layer, then you put it under layer 1. Then you select, your brush tool is on, then you select another color of your choice, and you just, you know, if you want to remove those black and white lines, click Ctrl D to deselect. Okay, now you just add. You're in layer 2 now. Boom, 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 boom. That is dope. Once I add one more, boom. Okay, now you click your blend mode, which you are going for. Let's see, vivid light. Vivid light looks dope to me. You can go overlay, soft light. Nah, I'd rather go for vivid light. I want it to really show. You can control your feel. Maybe it's too much. Let me go with 95%. Okay, that is dope. The next thing you do is you go to place embedded. You add this picture. You have to download this picture. It's called a white and black background. Just go search it on Google and you find it. Just size it up, you know, the way you want first. It must always be under layer 1. It's the only way come out proper. Put it somewhere here, you know, put some sass. Then you click enter, V. Okay, then you change its blending mode to screen. Is it screen? No, I mean to soft light. Then you see this Japanese logo type looking, add layer mask, click it. Then you click your brush tool. It must be in black. Okay, just reduce it a bit. It's too, maybe to like 200. This is to remove the harshness of the edges, you know, just to make it more smooth, more smooth, more smooth, more smooth, you know, more smooth. Just increase it a bit. It's too small. More smooth. It's smooth now. This is to put more detail to it. Put more detail. This is dope. This is looking dope. Yeah, you can reduce the fill a bit, maybe to 87. However you feel. Go back to layer 1. Do the same. Control M. Let's put some color on her. Some dope coloring. This is right for me. This is looking okay. It's a bit. Okay, this is dope. Bright, bright, bright. Should be looking bright. The next thing you add is, you must click on this layer. So yeah, then you, for now, you add your things, the things you want to add, like, you know, pictures, money bill. I'm gonna put a money bill sign. Just scale it up a bit, make it smaller, rotate it up a bit. This is dope. Then you click it, then you go to filter, then you go to blur, then you go to motion blur. Select what is good for you. 19 is too much. Let's try 12. Looks a bit good for me. Okay, then I just click Ctrl J a lot of times, so I make a lot of duplicates. So I just spread them around. Dollar sign here. Here, let's make this one go on top of her head by putting it on top of layer 1. See what I'm talking about? Okay, this looks good to us, doesn't it? Juicy. Okay, the next thing we add, you have to download some of these things, guys. do this, boom. I don't know, just copy this code here. Just copy this code into your Google search. It will go to the exact photo I have right now. Forgot the name of this thing. So your blending mode, just choose screen, desktop. You can click Control M to make it more, add more detail if you want. Then you can control your fill. If it's too much, just make it like 80 something. Okay, that is looking good to me. Then the next thing we add is as the same again. I forgot the name of this thing, so just go and copy that code there, or that name exactly as it is in Google, including the numbers, and Google will take you to the exact photo, but it's called a cam finder. When you click screen, then you click filter, then you click distort, then spherize. Then you look, this is to make it a bit look like a classic fat TV. Okay, this is dope for me. Then Control T just to increase its size, cover most of that surface area. Wait, you first returnerize it, whatever that word is. Then erase. I wanna erase these things. These things are not dope. Erase all of them. Erase. If you want to have the eraser, just click E, or you can just search there in your taskbar, Control V. Then now I click filter, distort, spherize, young, something like this, maybe 40%. Okay, then make it like this. This looks dope. Okay, then you click Control M, just to increase the detail, put more detail to it. Okay, that is dope. I mess with that. Then the next thing we do is add text now. Text. You have to download this font called Bokland or something like that. You see it now. It's easy. Just search a font if you want it. The fonts are free on some websites. You don't have to buy these things. This one, Book Bang Big Condense. This one. Then which color should I go for? Let's go for orange type of looking. Then we go like how to make a thumbnail. How to make a thumbnail. Okay, then you select it here. Then I add another text, like now I select purplish, I think, like a pro YouTuber. Okay, then that is there. It's looking neat. Okay, now I take these. You double tap it or just click blending options. Then you go to bevel and emboss. Just smooth, inner bevel, outer bevel. This is now up to you, bro. Which one you're feeling? Okay, I'm feeling this one, I think. Okay, that is dope. No. Okay, that is dope. You can choose your, play around, bro. What looks sick to you, Okay, it looks sick to me, bro. Texture. Okay, I have nothing in texture, bro. Okay, that is dope. Actually, that's a dope texture. Drop shadow. Then you drop shadow. Damn, looking neat. Then just click Control T. Is my mic still recording? Let's yo. Okay, it's still recording. then you know, just size it up, you know, size it up a bit like how you want. Make it a bit bigger so you guys will see the video. Make a thumbnail, then you click this, enter. Let me just remove this one, put it to the side a bit, and let me put it here. Then you click distort, spherize, retterize first, okay, just to give it that pregnancy feel, you know what I mean. It's messing with 40. Let's see. Yes sir, see, make no, then you make it look like this. Okay, that is dope. Then you Control J on it, then it makes it thicker. Then you click here, Control J, highlight both of them, then you right click, then you where is that option, you merge layers. Yeah, that's looking dope to me. Now for this one, you do the same, just do the same thing, blending options. Guys, if you don't like my video now, you're going to hell straight. Bevel and emboss, then texture, it's just gonna copy what's there. Drop shadow, dope. Then just put this one here. Then you go to filter, distort, spherize, retterize. It's already at 40. Let me add 42. Yes sir. Let me Control T, it's looking a bit too big. Enter. Then Control J, make a duplicate copy. Then you control, highlight both of them. Then you click on merge layers. Guys, that's all. Your thumbnail is done. So thank you for watching this tutorial video. Subscribe, like, comment down below. Let's get it. Let me export this. This is my thumbnail for the video.